Croatia is a land of incredible beauty. From its sparkling coastline, where the turquoise waters meet the golden sands, to its towering mountains that rise majestically against the sky, Croatia has something to offer everyone. Whether you're looking for adventure in the great outdoors, relaxation by the serene beaches, or a bit of both, you're sure to find it in Croatia. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to discover Croatia's most breathtaking scenery. Croatia is a small yet diverse country located in southeastern Europe, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. It is bordered by Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Montenegro, making it a crossroads of various cultures and histories. Croatia has a long and rich history, dating back to the Roman Empire, with ancient ruins and historical sites scattered throughout the country. In more recent times, Croatia was part of Yugoslavia before gaining its independence in 1991, marking a new chapter in its storied past. Today, Croatia is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning scenery, delicious food, and friendly people who welcome visitors with open arms. Croatia is a land of contrasts, where modern cities and ancient villages coexist harmoniously. You can find bustling cities like Zagreb, the capital, and Split, the second largest city, each offering a unique urban experience. But you can also find quiet villages nestled in the mountains or along the coast, where time seems to stand still. Croatia is also home to a variety of landscapes, from the rolling hills of the interior to the rugged mountains of the Dinaric Alps, each offering its own unique charm. And of course, there's the Adriatic Sea, with its crystal-clear waters and hundreds of islands, perfect for sailing, swimming, and exploring. No matter what you're looking for in a travel destination, whether it's adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, you're sure to find it in Croatia. So come and discover this hidden gem for yourself and create memories that will last a lifetime. Plitvice Lakes National Park is one of Croatia's most popular tourist destinations, and for good reason. This natural wonder is a breathtaking sight to behold. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to 16 cascading lakes, connected by waterfalls and surrounded by lush forests. The park's beauty is simply unparalleled. Visitors can explore the park on foot, by boat, or by bus. Each mode of exploration offers a unique perspective of the park's stunning landscapes. The lakes of Plitvice are famous for their unique colors, which range from azure to turquoise to emerald green. These vibrant hues are a photographer's dream. The colors are created by the interplay of light, water, and minerals. This natural phenomenon adds to the park's enchanting allure. The park is also home to a variety of plant and animal life, including deer, bears, and wolves, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, and over 120 species of birds. Birdwatchers will find this park to be a paradise. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a truly magical place. Its enchanting views captivate every visitor. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. The tranquility here is unmatched, offering a serene retreat. Dubrovnik is a city located on the Adriatic coast of Croatia. It is known for its distinctive old town, encircled with massive stone walls completed in the 16th century. Its well-preserved buildings range from Baroque St. Blaise Church to Renaissance Sponsa Palace and the Gothic Renaissance Rector's Palace. Dubrovnik is a city with a rich history. It was once an important trading center in the Mediterranean. Today, it is a popular tourist destination, known for its beautiful architecture, stunning beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply relaxing on the beach, Dubrovnik has something to offer everyone. Hvar is an island off the Dalmatian coast of Croatia. It is known for its sunny weather, beautiful beaches, and fragrant lavender fields. Hvar town, the island's main town, is a popular destination for its nightlife and celebrity sightings. Hvar is a great place to relax and soak up the sun. There are plenty of beaches to choose from, whether you're looking for a secluded cove or a lively beach club. You can also explore the island's interior, where you'll find vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages. If you're looking for a taste of the good life, Hvar is the place to be. Section 5. Rovinj. A charming Istrian gem. Rovinj is a town located on the Istrian Peninsula in Croatia. It's known for its picturesque old town, which is situated on a hill overlooking the Adriatic Sea. Rovinj is a popular destination for its charming atmosphere, delicious seafood, and beautiful beaches. Rovinj is a town with a long and rich history. It was once ruled by the Romans, the Byzantines, and the Venetians. Today, it is a popular tourist destination, known for its beautiful architecture, stunning scenery, and delicious food. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply relaxing by the sea, Rovinj is a town that has something to offer everyone. Section 6. The Kornati Islands, a sailor's paradise. The Kornati Islands are an archipelago of 140 islands, islets, and reefs located off the coast of Croatia. The islands are known for their rugged beauty, crystal-clear waters, and abundance of marine life. The Kornati Islands are a popular destination for sailing, swimming, sunbathing, and fishing. The Kornati Islands are a true sailor's paradise. With so many islands to explore, you could easily spend weeks sailing around this stunning archipelago. The waters around the islands are also perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, the Kornati Islands are the perfect place to escape to. Section 7. Muljet National Park, an island oasis. Muljet National Park is a national park located on the island of Muljet, off the coast of Croatia. The park is known for its two saltwater lakes, Veliko Jezero and Malo Jezero, which are connected to the sea by a narrow channel. Muljet National Park is a haven for nature lovers. You can go hiking, biking, or kayaking in the park. You can also go swimming, sunbathing, or simply relax by the lakes. The park is also home to a variety of plant and animal life, including deer, mongooses, and over 100 species of birds. If you're looking for a peaceful and relaxing getaway, Muljet National Park is the perfect place to go. Section 9. Krka National Park. cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery. Krka National Park is a national park located in the Šibenik-Knin County of Croatia. The park is named after the Krka River, which flows through the park and creates a series of cascading waterfalls, lakes, and canyons. Krka National Park is a paradise for nature lovers. You can go swimming in the park's refreshing waters, hike through its lush forests, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery. The park is also home to a variety of plant and animal life, including over 200 bird species, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. If you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, Krka National Park is the perfect destination. Section 10. Your next adventure awaits. Croatia is a country with something to offer everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or simply relaxing on the beach, you're sure to find it in Croatia. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today. And if you've already been to Croatia, tell us about your favorite places in the comments below. We're always looking for new places to explore. And who knows, maybe your suggestion will be featured in our next article.